I don't remember exactly how much they cost, but I didn't really do much homework. Kind of did an impulse buy, as I do, and started getting nervous thinking, these are reproductions. What if they are just plastic or, you know, chrome plated or something? I think I paid a decent amount for them, so I assume that's not the case, but I figured I would make a video to show the quality and the fit and everything else. So they're packaged up nicely. The package looks like it's being looked after, hasn't been beat up. I always preferred the factory ones on the limited editions or whatever they were that came with Miata here instead of Roadster. But the only thing that Moss Miata offers is the Roadster plates. So I may actually create my own, because it looks like it's just a decal, a stainless steel decal. I could pretty easily create my own plate for here that says Miata. Don't panic, the blue, it's not a blue panel, it's just a protective plastic over the top. I was worried for a second that this was delaminating. I don't know if you can see that, but it is actually just another layer of protective film, clear protective film that's over the top. Again, it could be smart to leave that on there if you're OCD about keeping things mint, but I am not that guy. So, oh yeah, they are nice. It also came with this little bag of hardware here, which is probably going to be useful because I imagine this is stainless. So in that area where there's a lot of moisture, they would obviously rust away if they weren't. So these are going to be good. Now I'll give you a little montage of these panels so you can see how beautiful and shiny they are for now until they get beat up in my car. Quite cool about these is it's got the 3M double-sided tape along the edge here. Obviously that's just to help secure it to the body of the car itself, to the sill, maybe to reduce a little bit of vibration, and then it's got this foam along the edge here for the same reason, I imagine, just to keep it a little bit watertight, but also stop vibrations, give a little bit of padding between the metal of the car and the metal of the sill plate. Pretty cool. Alright, let's go put them on the car. Alright, time to try and install these bad boys. The little clips under here do actually move, which will allow you to get the holes lined up perfectly with your screws. And then obviously before we do it, just want to remove this tape, which is another good reason that we clean this up before we install this, so that this tape can do its job and stick to the edge. But because of that, you do want to make sure that your screw holes are lined up first, so you don't have to unstick the tape. So now, after I've done installing those Moss Miata sill plates, if you would ask me, I think they're worth it. I just looked up the price as well. I paid $120 US for them, which I think is pretty reasonable. I don't remember how much they sell for if you find them locally, some like OEM ones or some limited edition ones that are usually used and beat up, but I think you'll still pay $60 to $80 for them on Marketplace or on Craigslist, so really $120 for brand new. The quality is great, the installation is obviously easy. Yeah, the only thing I'm going to change about mine is the fact it says Roadster. I want it to say Miata. That's a personal preference. I think most people want the Roadster, or they like that it says Roadster, so yeah, you'd be very happy with them. No complaints at all. Till next time.